How a marketing team can turn your business into a data driven machine. Are you running marketing campaigns that feel more like a guess than strategy? You are not alone. And the truth is, without the data, most businesses are just shooting in the dark. But what if I told you that with the right marketing team, your business could literally run on a data, predicting customer behavior, optimizing every dollar spent, and growing smarter every single day? Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. Over the years, my team and I have helped many brands transform the way they make decisions by building a truly data-driven marketing systems that scale. I have spent more than 15 years working with the businesses across industries, watching the ones that embraced data soar, while others relying on instinct struggle to keep up. And that's exactly what we are diving into today. How a strong marketing team can turn your business into data-driven machine that never stop learning. Why data-driven marketing isn't optional anymore. In today's world, marketing isn't just about creativity, it's about clarity. The best marketing teams don't just come up with ideas, they measure what works and optimize relentlessly. Here is why that matters. Consumer behavior changes daily, and the data let you see exactly what your audience is responding to, so you are never guessing. Budgets are tighter than ever, which means every penny counts, and data shows you how to spend smarter, not harder. Competition is fierce, so if you are not tracking, analyzing, and adapting, you are already falling behind. The goal isn't just numbers, it's turning data into a clear direction that guides you every decision and drives real growth. The pillars of data-driven marketing. Centralized data. Every decision starts with the right data. Your marketing team needs a system that pulls insights from everywhere. Social media, CRM, website analytics, even customer feedback forms. When all your data lives in one place, patterns starts to reveal themselves. Thinking of it likes connecting all of the dots, your ad clicks, email opens, and purchase histories. So you can finally see the full picture of your customer journey. Data analysis and interpretation. Collecting data is easy. Understanding it, that's where expertise shine. A skilled marketing team knows how to turn raw numbers into actionable insights, spotting what's driving engagement, what's falling flat, where your real ROI hides. They use tools like Google Analytics, Power BI, or HubSpot dashboards to translate data into stories that guide your next move. Predictive insights and automation. This is where data gets exciting. With enough data, marketing teams can actually predict customer behavior using AI and automation to send the right message at the right time. Imagine knowing when a customer is most likely to buy again or which leads are worth nurturing first. That's data turning into foresight. Continuous optimization and feedback. Data driven marketing isn't a one time project, it's an ongoing process. The best teams test, tweak, and improve constantly. They review campaigns weekly, learn from every result, and refine the next round. It's like having a system that learns and evolves, so your marketing gets sharper over time. How can you start today? If you are wondering where to begin, here is a simple roadmap. Audit your current marketing data and identify what's being tracked and what's missing. Invest in the right tools such as a CRM systems, analytics dashboard, and automation tools are your new best friends. Build or train your team. Even the best tools fail without people who understand data storytelling. Start small, measures, and grow by testing one campaign, analyzing, learn, and expanding. Remember, being data driven isn't about being perfect from day one. It's about building the mindset to always learn and improve. So, tell me what's your biggest challenge when it comes to using a data in your marketing? Is it tracking, analysis, or just knowing where to start? Drop your thoughts in comments below. I'll see you in the next video.